In the vast theatre of our solar system, Mercury plays a role unlike any other. As the smallest planet, it seems almost insignificant, but this little world defies all expectations. It orbits closer to the Sun than any of its siblings, enduring searing heat by the day and intense cold by the night. Hello everyone, you are watching 5 Uniques, and today we will dive into what makes Mercury so special. Mercury is a world of extremes, planet where time moves differently. Its surface holds scars of billions of years, and its story offers glimpses into the dawn of our solar system. To ancient observers, Mercury was more than just a point of light in the sky. The Romans saw it as God Mercury, the swift messenger carrying divine will between heavens and earth. In Babylonian culture, Mercury was Nabu, the god of wisdom and writing. Ancient Chinese astronomers associated the planet with the element water. Across multiple cultures, Mercury symbolized movement, intellect, and the connection between heaven and the earthly world. Mercury's fast orbital period of just 88 Earth days makes me understand why the Romans saw Mercury as a messenger god. It is the fastest orbiting planet of our solar system. For a long time in the human history, Mercury remained as one of the most least understood objects in the night sky. Its elusive nature, appearing briefly at sunrise or sunset, made it quite difficult to study in the ancient times. Galileo's telescope, although revolutionary at the time, failed to capture the details of the planet owing to the close proximity of Mercury to the Sun. It was in the 16th century that Nicholas Copernicus revolutionized our understanding of the planet by placing it as the innermost planet in the heliocentric model of our solar system. It was with the advent of space exploration that our understanding of Mercury grew exponentially. In 1974, Mariner 10 was the first to provide close-up images of the planet, revealing the cratered surface of Mercury, reminiscent of our Moon. It was in fact decades later that Messenger spacecraft uncovered an even richer tapestry of geological and atmospheric mysteries of Mercury. Exploring Mercury is no small feat. Its proximity to the Sun creates intense gravitational challenges requiring a spacecraft to execute complex trajectories to be able to reach anywhere close to the planet. Mariner 10, using Venus's gravity for a system, became the first to reveal Mercury's barren landscape. The Messenger spacecraft went one step further, orbiting Mercury for over 4 years. It discovered evidence of water and ice in the craters that are permanently shadowed from the Sun, mapped its surface in an unprecedented detail, and analyzed the thin exosphere of the planet. Right now, as we speak, Pepe Colombo, a joint mission by Europe and Japan, is en route to Mercury carrying 2 spacecraft packed with instruments. It promises to answer lingering questions about Mercury's magnetic field, the core composition, and the geological evolution of the planet. Mercury is no ordinary world. There are so many things that we still don't know about the planet. But from what we know, here are 5 unique facts that set it apart from all the other planets of our solar system. Mercury's extreme temperatures Mercury experiences the most extreme temperature swings in the solar system. Daytime temperatures can reach up to 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, while the nights plunge into minus 180 degrees Celsius, colder than any place on Earth. Strange day and year cycle of the planet. Mercury is the fastest orbiting planet around the Sun, and at the same time, the rotation speed is way slower. A single day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days, yet its year is only 88 days. This peculiar 3:2 spin orbit resonance creates long and dramatic sunrises and sunsets that lasts for weeks. Mercury's magnetic field mystery. Despite its small size, Mercury generates a magnetic field, an anomaly for a planet with such a slow rotation speed. Size and rotation are often considered to be prerequisites to have a magnetic field for a planet. Scientists believe it may be due to a partially molten core of the planet, providing clues into what lies underneath the cratered surface. Mercury has ice. Can you imagine a planet so close to the Sun that has ice and water in its craters? Shielded from the Sun's heat, ice exists in craters at Mercury's poles. These small pockets of ice could provide insights into how water is distributed across the solar system. Finally, a unique feature of Mercury that personally amazes me. Mercury is a shrinking planet. As the core cools, its surface contracts, forming cliffs and ridges. To add to this, the extreme temperature differences that the planet undergoes leads to a surface level expansion and contraction, creating an ever-changing landscape. These features essentially tell the story of a planet that is still evolving even after 4.5 billion years of its existence. As the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury endures relentless solar radiations and gravitational forces. Ellipse orbit of Mercury brings it alternately close and distant to the Sun. Its delicate balance of proximity makes Mercury's existence all the more fascinating. Mercury is the smallest and the swiftest planet of the solar system. It is a paradox of fire and ice, speed and inactivity. It tells a story of the forces that shaped our solar system. Timeless wanderer in the Sun's embrace, Mercury invites us to explore, to dream, and to uncover the secrets of the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the smallest planet of our solar system. If you enjoyed learning about Mercury, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of space. See you in the next video, and until then, keep looking up at the stars.